Welcome. If you've ever been in a Messenger group chat and remembered someone shared an important link, but can't quite scroll back far enough to find it, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the simple, updated way to view all shared links in any Messenger group. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. Once Messenger is open, look through your chat list and tap on the group where you remember the link was shared. This will open the group conversation. Next, look to the very top of your screen. You'll see either the group's name or the group's picture. Tap on that area. This will bring up the group's details and settings menu, where you can manage everything about your group chat. From here, scroll down until you see the option that says View Media, Files, and Links. Tap on this option. Now, you'll see a few different tabs, like Media, Files, and Links. Go ahead and tap on the Links tab. And that's it. Here, you'll see a complete list of every link that's been shared in your group chat, all organized in one place. You can scroll through and tap on any link to open it, or simply copy and share it elsewhere. No more endless scrolling or searching through old messages. Messenger keeps all your shared links neatly organized and easy to find. This method works for both iPhone and Android devices, and it's the fastest way to find any link that's ever been posted in your Messenger group. So the next time you need to revisit an article, a funny video, or an important website someone shared, just follow these steps and you'll have it in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.